So hello brothers and sisters, what I wanna talk about now is how to create content to the point that you can monetize it for yourself. So basically, I am brother by, I'm just starting out on YouTube, but in Facebook and in TikTok by, I already have 120k followers on Facebook, almost 80k followers in TikTok, and I'm earning already, monetizing already on Facebook. So these are my tips. These are my tips and tricks by para maka-start mo monetize sa inyong Facebook. So basically, number one is dapat passion ninyo na by. Passion ninyo in a sense na mao ba gyud ninyo gusto mag-create og content. Unsa man ninyong buhaton na content by, is it about your travels, about I don't know, yaga-yaga. Basically, ako abay, I started with psychology, mga mindset nako, perspective nako, but it didn't really got viral. But then when I started traveling by, ato kog Thailand, balik ko dire, and then naana ko yung mga live stream nako, and then I started making jokes sa akong perspective. Dito nag-start patok, and it gained the follower, especially here in my hometown. So I don't know how it works for you by paano mo anong value ang mabigay mo sa society. But I think mag-work naman kahit na hindi jokes by, pero emotions man good. So maybe I'm good with that by, I create impact with emotions, and then I'm also creative na person. So magaling ako magawa ng mga jokes. Depends on you. Maybe sa'yo by, medyo logical sa'yo. Maybe mahilig ka ng mga motor by, mag-motor ride ka ba dyan? Or marunong ka lang ng technicalities ng computer by, yan ang knowledge mo. Then do that by. Pero I think manggod may limitation rin yan. I don't think na ikaw as a content creator by, gusto mo lang yung topic mo nag-surround lang sa isang subject ng isang bagay like computer unsa ba diha. So good thing for me by, medyo na manifest ko na yung virality ko na pagiging me by, pagiging content creator, pagiging self-brand ko mismo. So ang ayos doon, I can mix a lot of creativity sa mga gusto kong gawin sa mga contents ko by. I can make jokes, I can travel, and then magpatok pa rin yun. The problem ang good by kung mag-start kayo sa mga technicalities ng mga knowledge nyo sa sasakyan, motor, computer, ano ba yan, is limited lang rin yung content nyo doon. May niche man good kasi yan. So kung yung niche base nyo by, mag-expect sila na yun yung contents na gina-create mo paulit-ulit. So same sa akin, kung magawa naman ako ng mga long form na mga videos, hindi pa masyado nag-workout, hindi pa masyado nagapatok yung mga reels ko kasi doon man ako magaling sa mga short form. So ganun lang yun. So I hope by meron kayong na-understand, na-learn dito sa how to make content by and how to start monetizing sa mga social media nyo. As always by passion, bless, and love.